Hello, today, welcome to Cooking at Home with Alex. Today I'm going to show you how to cook stir-fry mixed vegetable with oyster sauce. Come along to have a look. I got 3 onions. Go jack what it cut with pit like that. Go jack. Cauliflower and broccoli and carrot. First time put oil in a wok and turn cooker on, make oil it hot and chop onion, not make it too small. Fry onion, first time put cauliflower, broccoli and carrot in. Be a lot. And go jack put in. And coat the lid off. Coat the lid to make the vegetable eat cook before you can put the salt in. Now you put soy sauce in about 3 spoons of 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, white soy sauce, about 3 spoons of oyster sauce, a little bit of the sweet soy sauce, a little bit about teaspoon of sweet soy sauce, half teaspoon of white pepper, about half teaspoon of tomato. If you don't have tomato, don't worry, put sugar in. 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of sugar. a little bit water, just a little bit. Now put the lid on. It's nearly done waiting for vegetable it cook. Quiet. Now all done. It let me try. Oh, so nice! Yum yum! Now turn cooker off. Put in the place. Well. Now stir fry mixed potato bowl and with oyster sauce. So yum yum, please try it if you like my cooking. We have it with rice, cooked rice later. Thank you.